Want to add emojis to your chats, emails, or documents in seconds? Windows 11 has built-in emoji shortcuts that make typing fun, expressive, and lightning fast. Stick around, we will show you how to unlock the emoji panel and use it like a pro. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are exploring one of the Windows 11 most underrated features, emoji shortcuts. We will cover how to open the emoji picker, the fastest keyboard combos, and even how to access GIFs, symbols, and kaomoji, all without leaving your keyboard. Let's get started. Method 1. Use Windows shortcut keys. To trigger the emoji panel, press Win plus period keys. On most keyboards, it's located just below the L key to the right of the M key. It usually shares the same key as this greater than symbol. Alternatively, press Win plus decimal point key. You will see a floating panel with tabs for emoji, GIFs, kaomoji, and symbols. Start typing smile, heart, check to filter instantly. Click or press enter on the highlighted emoji to insert. To move the selected emoji, you can use arrow keys to navigate. Press enter to insert the specific emoji. If you want to dismiss the panel, press the escape key. Use tab to move between tabs. You can use shift plus tab to go back. To jump into the search box, press Ctrl plus F or start typing. If you want to refine the look of your emojis, then open the emoji tab. Then select a human emoji. Choose your preferred skin tone, the choice gets remembered. Some emojis have alternate styles, so you can click the small chevron to see options. The Recent Pics panel shows recent for quick reuse. If you want to pin an emoji, just right-click an emoji in the panel and choose Pin if available to keep it handy. Method 2. Insert emojis in any app including browsers and editors. The emoji panel works in text fields across apps like Word, Notepad, Chrome, Edge, Teams, Slack, WhatsApp, etc. If an app doesn't render a particular emoji, it may show a monochrome glyph or box. Choose a simpler emoji or paste as an image if the app supports it. Some emojis rely on system fonts that keeping Windows updated ensures the latest emoji support. The process to insert emoji is same. To trigger the emoji panel, press Win plus period keys. Then choose an emoji and press the enter key. Method 3. Use kaomoji, GIFs, and symbols. For kaomoji, open the emoji panel, then select the kaomoji tab. Pick text-based faces like this. For GIFs, go to GIFs tab, then type a keyword, then press enter to insert animated GIFs when supported. Some apps may block GIF insertion. Use the symbols tab for punctuation, arrow, math, currency, and more. For math and currency, type keywords like degree, arrow, euro to find symbols quickly. Method 4. Touch and on-screen keyboard method. Enable the touch keyboard. To do that, right-click taskbar, the taskbar settings. Then turn on touch keyboard. Tap the keyboard icon in the taskbar. Tap the emoji icon to browse by category and insert. Long press certain keys, example period for quick symbol access. Method 5. Clipboard and quick paste tips. Press Win plus V and turn it on. This lets you reuse recently copied emojis. To copy or paste, if your app struggles to insert directly, copy an emoji from the panel or a web page and paste it into the app. Insert multiple emojis quickly by keeping the panel open and pressing enter on each selection. Close with escape when done. If the panel doesn't open, check keyboard layout and ensure Win key works. Try Win plus as an alternative if emoji is not rendering. Update Windows. Go to settings, then select Windows Update and try a different emoji or app. And that's the breakdown. Whether you are spicing up a message, adding flair to your document, or just having fun, Windows 11's emoji shortcuts make it effortless. If this helped you discover a new trick, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more Windows tips and hidden features. Got a favorite emoji combo? Drop it in the comments. Let's share the shortcuts that keep our conversations lively.